Yeah, our recording has been started.
Okay, so hey all, we are back again here.
Yeah, hello everyone.
Hi everyone, we are
Yeah,
back again here.
so
Yes.
as you can see that some people are not be able to join us today because of some
Mhm,
very reasons. So we
mhm,
Yeah,
are here to entertain you all guys today. We will
you.
try to entertain you guys. So it's
yeah.
obviously Sunday, and we promise you that we will discuss about the essay. But due to our people haven't joined us, so it will be an
Mhm.
incomplete session. So instead
So we
Yeah,
have
of
that's right.
skipped that.
instead of
Mhm,
making your Sunday more boring, we are
mhm.
we are coming with our cartoon and all stuff. So let's be ready to live your nostalgia. Okay,
Yeah.
yeah. So
So
let's
I
start
think,
from
mhm,
Rishabh. Like we are Aditya and Akhil. We start from A. Every time we always get first chance to start. So let's reverse the order.
yeah, definitely.
Cartoon.
Yeah, like
Always,
what are the cartoons you have watched? Mhm.
I watch many cartoons, and as always, I like the most the cartoon Tom and Jerry.
Tom and Jerry, yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, and the favorite character of Tom and Jerry was mine is Tom, not
Tom.
Jerry.
No,
yeah.
obviously.
Obviously, I too like Tom because of
Yeah,
his yeah,
expressions, his
yeah,
actions.
yeah. Because
So,
I
But in
know I like Tom because of his calculative skills, because of his scientific mind, and his like he did extraordinary things for catching Jerry. That I was like, Jerry didn't did any extraordinary things.
he was just escaping.
Yeah,
Mm. Yeah, so Tom and Jerry was the one, yes.
when I watch in childhood, I think this is the cartoon of my era.
yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
But
okay.
after a long time, I studied that it is the cartoon of 1940s.
yeah. It started very early.
Exactly.
It is
Yeah.
all cartoon.
Mhm.
Yeah,
and
In
and
fact, we all can relate it. Like most of the cartoons that we saw at our childhood were
are very
almost
big.
like 10 years, a decade, like before in the shows or
Yeah,
UK
yeah.
shows.
That's why the whole like people of that time can we think that we are of them also. We are of like them.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, right, right, right.
But after that, suddenly a gap came.
Mm.
but when our future generation come in this world, they
Mm.
also watch the Tom and Jerry.
Yeah, they
Definitely,
should
and
watch.
they
And this is
should
the
actually.
we are discussing on Tom and Jerry
Mhm.
after a after 80 year of release.
Yeah,
So
Oh,
just think the popularity of this cartoon
yeah,
series.
yeah, definitely. I understand.
Yeah, many
So
one
Tom and Jerry. Hmm.
many one say that Tom and Jerry came from the a circus name came from the circus show in London day and nights.
oh,
Okay.
There is a circus. I'm not confident about this, but I
Mm-hmm.
have listened this
Mm-hmm.
anytime.
Mm-hmm.
And another cartoon that I watched was I like very much is Ninja Hattori.
yeah,
Yeah, Ninja 30.
And favorite character is Susumano.
Yeah, Shishumanu is so OP. Kyo and Shishumanu. The
Yeah,
duo is so, yeah.
nice.
and Richie Rich is the
Oh.
most richest person of the cartoon, just like Batman, Batman
Like
of the
there are slangs
DC.
actually going on Twitter like some cartoon characters are discussing like Sunio is discussing with Chota Bheem or Raja of the Chota Bheem, but suddenly Richie Rich arrives and he says, "Yeah, what are you talking about?" And that conversation looks very funny.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think Tom and Jerry producer start the a new way after the popularity of this cartoon show episode wise. They made film on this and they made many film
Yeah,
Tom and
and
Jerry.
Yeah.
animation
We
Right,
have
right.
seen that.
animation quality also
Yeah,
increased.
yeah.
Mhm.
I think this is the revolution of the animation movie.
Yeah, but you know, like you will always like the flat animation more than the 3D animation. You will always
Yeah,
Definitely, I
yeah,
love
yeah,
flat
yeah, yeah.
animations. Obviously, man.
Yeah.
No one can replace it.
yeah,
Definitely.
but that when we talk about animation by Pixar and Disney, there is no match for them. The 3D animation,
Obviously, yeah, that is a total different thing. Like we
yeah,
don't consider it even an animation. It's more
yeah,
a realistic world actually.
yeah.
So
Uh,
Disney is obviously it's a different thing.
Disney
We
gives,
don't have any comparison for it.
yeah, Disney gives the most of quality thing,
Very
Hmm.
much
not
quality.
quantity. Yeah.
Their cartoons are not just cartoons. Actually, the thinking process is
They are
embedded in
living.
the cartoon. You know, like I have watched one movie. Like what is the name of that movie? Aditya,
Toy
the
Story.
plane thing. No, the
Oh yeah, Inside Out.
Inside Out. Have you watched that,
Inside Out.
Rishabh?
Yeah, I
It's
Rishabh,
think.
uh,
damn good movie.
Is it animated?
yeah, it is
Yeah,
animated.
animated.
Oh, I am thinking about the Inside Out series.
No, no, no.
No, no, no,
That is a Amazon Prime series of Inside Age.
no,
Okay,
no, no.
it may be, but Inside Out is a animation movie made
No,
by.
yeah, I have not seen much animated series and movies.
Okay, no problem. I will
No
recommend
problem.
definitely recommend you to watch that. It's a
Yeah, so coming back
Okay.
to the topic,
yeah,
like,
Tom and
so
Jerry.
Tom and Jerry and Ninja Hattori was a two, and after that,
After that, we all love the cartoon Ben 10 and Goku
yeah,
Gohan. What is the name of that
Dragon Ball Z,
series?
Dragon Ball Z.
Dragon Ball Z.
Dragon Ball.
Yeah, Dragon Ball Z, Z, then Oswald is also a funny cartoon. Hagemaru.
Yeah,
But this generation cartoon, Chota Bheem is very popular.
yeah,
You know, I too
This is
watched
the
Chota
new
Beam.
cartoon.
I too watched Chota Beam when I was Chota. Okay,
Yeah, same here.
yeah, everyone watched that.
I,
I
there is
remember
a
I was
power of
in fourth.
laddu. Eating
Yeah,
laddu.
But
when
you
I
know,
was in fourth and fifth, I used to watch it.
Yeah,
people
you have remember the one cartoon that is when they eat the Spanish, es- uh,
Spinach, Popeye the Sailor Man. Popeye the
Popeye the
Sailor Man.
Popeye the
Sailor Man.
Sailor Man. Yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
Popeye the
that
Popeye the
Sailor
is
Man.
Sailor Man.
amazing cartoon, man.
That
That
is
is
also
not
a
a
magic.
spinach. That's not spinach. That's yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
That's
yeah. Wheat.
wheat. Actually,
No,
No, it
yeah,
is spinach, but
it is.
we are talking about actual thing, you know.
Yeah,
really.
yeah. That's
I
why his eye
I
became
am
red.
thinking that he eat the in
Yeah,
Hindi word that's
all our
called
childhood
palak.
we all. Yeah, definitely. All our childhood we used to same think same way. Like it has to be spinach. But later I came to know that it was wheat. That's why his eye became red after eating that, and he got mad, or just powerful.
How could the dubbed people will say like
Today
ganja,
I got a new fact about the Pokemon
Popeye.
Sailor
but no one will believe, bro. If
Yeah,
in the
definitely.
interview if someone asks, you have to say palak.
Yeah, that was spinach.
Man.
Okay, so the Popeye the Sailor Man,
And
and
one more cartoon similar to that was Cape Oliver and Ostrich similar type. Have you
Yeah,
watched
yeah,
that?
yeah,
Oliver.
yeah, yeah, Oliver.
No,
That's it.
Oliver was that
Oliver,
girl,
yeah,
na?
Oliver.
Yeah, 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 yeah. There
Oliver
is
was
a
that gut, but there was some actually there were two characters. You know, one
yeah.
was fat
Hmm.
and one was skinny. They made
This
a
is a
kara
little
or
bit
something.
romantic cartoon.
No, 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 no.
Okay.
They were of some. I will show the image, then you will got to know. Actually, it is not streamed
Yeah,
for
yeah.
too many
Just
times.
present it. Just present it.
That's
Yeah,
present.
yeah.
And in the meantime, the biggest show that is the Looney
Mickey.
Tunes.
Yeah,
Looney
Looney
Tunes.
Tunes.
Looney Tunes. No.
Yeah, Mickey
What?
Mouse also.
Yeah,
Yeah, Mickey
I
Mouse is the thing, but
when
Looney Tunes has a different fan base for me. Actually, the Bugs Bunny, the Duck,
I
and
like the Baby Looney
everyone.
Tunes more.
Baby, no, not exactly. We have in baby actually in Looney Tunes we have so many characters. The
Yeah,
Roadrunner and that what's
Wolf,
called
the
Leghorn,
fox.
that
Yeah, that
that
was the
Leghorn.
funny. The Roadrunner versus the Wolf.
Yeah, and
And
after that,
there
Cat
is there is a strong face base of Shinchan.
Do you?
Shinchan.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
Do you remember Pink Panther?
yeah, obvious.
Yeah.
Tana, tana,
Teo,
tana, tana, tana.
Teo, Teo. I was always, like singing this to Teo.
Yeah.
Scooby Dooby Doo.
Yeah,
Scooby-Doo.
Scooby-Doo
Yep,
is
yep,
also
yep, yep.
good cartoon.
Kitretsu.
Kitretsu, the song of the Kitretsu, no one can, stop themselves to sing that.
Yeah, definitely. Invention पे invention करता जाता. That was nice. And after that,
Yeah, sorry, I
cartoons.
named that Oliver. The cartoon's name is Asterix and Obelix.
Asterix and
Yeah.
Obelix. No, I haven't heard about
Let
it.
me present it.
No,
Just present it.
I only remember the character of Oliver.
Yeah,
Olivia
that.
and one day some character also. If,
Mm,
yeah.
okay. Yeah. I got it.
It was
Totally.
not streamed for too much time, but it is streamed for some. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, I got it.
Okay, so
These Vikings fellow.
I will show some what images to us. It will only
Viewers,
visible to
yeah,
us,
definitely. Whatever we are discussing, we'll just present
but
the image
it
also.
will not visible to the audience
Why?
because I am
Because
presenting.
this
How
is
it?
recorded.
Just pin it now.
What
No,
will
no.
you? No, it will not. They have to see our face. We will see them.
Okay, no problem.
This is
Actually, you can just change the view layout.
Yeah, I
That
can
may
change
help you.
that.
No
The
problem.
two windows can be presented. Okay. Let me do that thing until you discuss. I will do that
yeah.
only. Okay.
Yeah. So let's discuss more cartoons. Yeah, Rishabh.
Most cartoons.
Like I can remember
Let's discuss on Ninja Hattori
Ninja
and
Hattori,
Kichi Manu. I think.
Sishimanu,
Like
Sishimanu,
Kichi also that love that is a uh, devil character. I think.
Devil
I am not
character,
remembering the Kichimanu.
No,
Kichimanu.
no.
Yeah,
Kichi Uchi, just like that man that love the girl, bro.
Amara.
Amar. Huh?
Yeah, Amara, I think.
Amara was
Hero and Amara.
negative part, not the negative
Yeah.
part exactly, but opposing.
Anti-hero part.
Anti-hero
Amara is
would be.
also funny character.
But
Yeah.
No,
Amara was
Kichi
best,
Manwa.
man.
Yeah,
Amara and Kyo. I love Kyo. Shishimanu and Kyo
Kyo,
are the best.
Kyo, the cat,
Cat,
cat. Yeah.
definitely. Actually, there was one episode when Hamara got stuck into the mountains, between the stones, huge stones. So he went back on the train to get some medicines. Just not medicines, just to call that his Koga clan
Yeah.
members to help him. And he will get to there by using a train. It
Akhil,
was
please
so
show the
funny.
character, bro, of Ninja Hattori.
Okay.
Ninja Hattori characters.
Oh no, this is not
Mio.
Amara.
Ninja Toriyama.
Oh
Yeah.
no, this is a Amara,
Yeah, this is Amara. The Green Ninja.
Green Ninja,
Yeah.
and this is Black
From which clan it was?
Koga Ninja.
Yeah, Goga Ninja. He was Goga Ninja.
Goga or Koga.
Goga. And
Okay, Goga
Hattori
Ninja.
was from Iga Ninja.
Iga Goga.
Have you watched the Ninja Hattori movie? It was streamed on the day of Holi.
Ninja Hattori movie. Which movie? Actually, I think
have
it has
seen
two
it.
movies.
Actually,
I have seen this very long time ago, bro.
yeah, actually the movie was a human. Actually, the ninja was
Okay,
a
that
human.
movie. Yeah. I got it. That human. Yeah. Human
When
movie.
I came in class 4 5, then I am shifted to the TV show or TV serial.
Okay.
Okay, no problem. So when
Yeah.
more cartoons like let's
Dragon Tales. Dragon
no
Tales.
no okay, no we will do like I'm showing image of the alien of Ben 10. You have to guess the name. Okay.
Okay, let's do it. It's fun.
But the name is visible to you. I'm searching that name, but the name is visible to you.
So you can
have
just,
to-
okay, we will not see it.
How you
We
will
have to
not
be
see?
honest.
You can't- you
We
can't
will
see
be
it.
honest. We will be honest about it. Actually, we are unable to see the so tiny texts. So we
Okay,
can
no
just
no problem, no problem.
yeah, we will be honest. No problem. Just search it. Way big.
You don't have to answer first. Rishabh will answer, then you will also get chance to
No,
answer.
no,
Actually, we will do the buzzer thing. Like if Rishabh knows, you will say
no,
yes. If I
I
knows, I'll
know.
say.
I didn't recognize this because I have seen
Bye.
long time ago, bro.
Okay, no
Okay.
problem.
I
So,
only
okay,
recognize the face and
okay.
many things.
So
There is a
name.
giant alien just like Hung. There is a one
Hmm.
giant alien.
Hunt.
Uh,
This was villain. It was anti somewhat.
no,
What
that
they are called hybrids.
yeah.
Hybrids.
These are hybrids.
Hybrids.
What is its name?
This one is amphibian.
Yeah, it's amphibian. Okay, you know
Amphibian.
most of the names.
Characters, obviously.
So
Yeah, I
let's
watched it.
let's let's come to. Acha, okay, so tell me the name. Tell me the
Mm-hmm.
name of the girl Hagimaru loved.
Miss.
No,
What's her name?
just name that. I can never forget her name. Let me show her. Let me show her.
Huh? No way.
Yeah, Midori.
Midori-cha.
Midori. Oh,
Midori-cha.
Midori-cha.
It
Midori-cha.
was
Yeah.
Midori.
Oh,
Yeah.
yes.
how
I
he used to speak that
How Hagumaru the sing the
Midori-cha.
song. That's the image, bro.
Midori-cha.
Yeah.
Right.
And do you remember the name of the girl in Kitretsu?
Yeah, Yumiko. No,
No.
Miyoko.
What?
Sang hai Miyoko.
Yeah,
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 Miyoko.
yeah,
Miyoko is her
yeah,
name.
yeah. And we also watch Pokemon. Okay. So
Yeah, but
do do you guys
I don't remember. No,
do
I
you
don't
do
remember names of Pokemons.
okay, no problem. Do you guys remember this cartoon I'm showing to you? It was like one of my favorite cartoons, but it got banned.
Yeah, Ultimate Muscle. Yeah, it used to came in Disney, I think.
No, it used to come in
Sorry,
Pogo or Cartoon Network.
Hangama.
I watched this in I maybe that was Hangama, or because Hangama streams Japanese cartoons more. So but like it got banned after some days. It haven't completed in the TV, and I searched
Oh,
for it. I haven't got it actually. I will definitely
mm.
search it again. It was I was really I liked it so much, the fight and all the scenes of this
What's its name? Ultimate
Ultimate
Muscle.
Muscle. And do you guys this cartoon? It is
No, it's
Naruto. Sorry.
anime. Now you are getting into anime actually.
Bro,
No.
that time animes were two stream. This is Byakugan.
Yeah, Inazuma 11.
No, Byakugan.
Bakugan. Yeah, I know Bakugan. Actually, like at that time when I was in fifth standard, we used to collect stickers. That 5 rupee stickers that has
And have
somewhat
you
30 to 40 stickers in each pack. Hmm.
this cartoon this
Yeah.
Eon Kid. He got one kit of
This
Uh,
is a short TV series.
yeah. माटी को मिली kid संग
Hmm.
शक्ति उड़ने की तो जो Eon Kid. The
oh,
song of this.
I don't think like these are 3D, so I don't used to watch 3D cartoons. I think the time.
No problem.
Uh, Dragon Tales is one of them. Guzura, search
Yeah,
for Guzura.
Dragon Tales.
Dragon Tales is so obvious. Yeah, it
Okay,
was fun.
let me show some clay animation
Dragon Tales
cartoon.
movies are very good.
Bob the
Yeah.
Builder.
Oh, Bob the Builder. Yeah.
Bob
Clay
the Builder,
animations. They are
civil
And
engineer of the
and
cartoon.
the best clay animation cartoon.
Saw
Shaun
the
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 ship.
Sheep.
Shaun the Sheep, Shaun the
Yeah,
Sheep,
yeah,
Shaun
yeah.
the Sheep, Shaun the Sheep,
Shaun the Sheep.
Shaun the Sheep, Shaun the
Ultimate
Sheep.
cartoon. Ultimate
Ultimate cartoon. Sean was so epic, man.
I have seen this
This
cartoon.
kind of
Doggy was also a hero.
when we were very small, like we even need any dialogues to laugh or something. They
Yeah.
they are just be able to mimic all the things without any
Have you
songs.
seen the latest movie, Tom and Jerry?
No.
Yeah, Tom and
I
Jerry.
haven't
Which
felt
movie?
any urge.
Yeah, that 3D. Yeah,
I
I
haven't
I
felt any
actually saw
urge
the
to.
trailer.
I haven't felt any urge to watch that movie. I don't have that much. What we say. Bravery to watch that movie. I don't want to ruin my Tom and Jerry career.
Right. So
And
let's name few more guys.
one more
Hmm.
this. Have you watched this?
Yeah, Super Strikers.
It
Is it
was,
Super Strikers?
yeah, it
Yeah,
is
Sonic,
super.
Sonic,
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Sonic.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So actually, before that, there was one more football, cartoon on football, and it was Inazuma 11. Have you watched it? Inazuma 11.
I
Just
haven't
search it.
watched that actually. I haven't watched this.
Yeah. So the central character is Mark Evans. Mark
Okay.
11. Sorry, Mark 11, not
Actually,
Evans.
until class sixth, I was not
Mark Evans.
exposed to cartoons and all. I
Okay.
because we guys in my home there
Mhm,
were no
mhm,
television actually before that time. Uh, After
mhm.
1 year television came, we used to play in DVD player, okay, and in
Oh.
Doordarshan only. So Doordarshan I watched for 1 year, and in
Mhm.
Saturdays at 11:30 or 11, uh, or
Oh.
the Mickey Mouse came, the Mickey Mouse Clubhouse.
Yeah, Mickey Mouse.
So
Mickey Mouse Clubhouse.
yeah, so I read to
Mhm,
nearby school. So
mhm.
we friends, like they at that day, as soon as the bell rings of class over, we just ran with bags in our hand. Okay, so we ran to home and we start watching that. And
Okay, so you are talking about Doordarshan. So can you guys recall Tarang?
yeah, obviously, I was just about to say about Tarang, Lal Bujakkad and all. And
Yeah,
Gali
Gali
Sim
Gali
Sim was
Sim
a
Sim. Oh my
crap,
God,
was a crap,
Gali Gali
but
Sim
we
Sim.
watched that.
Yeah, यहाँ की मस्त बात है हर घर को. So
Actually, actually,
mad. Yeah.
Actually, the new cartoons is just like they are making it in the only the purpose as a cartoon, just as a matter
Hmm.
of fun. But the previous cartoons and the Japanese cartoons, whatever, they were
They
used as
had
a medium.
values.
Yeah, they were used as a medium to teach children.
Children's right, like how to you have to behave.
But
What are the
now children,
values?
actually, there is one cartoon in that cartoon there is abusive words like "arey," "tu be," and that types of,
Yeah, 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 yeah.
and
Yeah.
those things are like easily grasped by the children. One of my brother's child son,
Hmm.
he is using that
Mhm.
kinds of word, and we can't do anything on that because
Yes,
what he will watch, you
definitely. Yeah, yeah, yeah. We don't have options left with options, right?
that is why. Yeah, and
Yeah.
talking about Japanese cartoons, they are filled
So
up.
they are so much valuable. Like you
Yeah,
can, just let's talk about modern cartoon Doraemon. So it is so valuable and it's so like thoughtful. You have to think about the
yeah, yeah,
concept like they are showing.
yeah. Obviously, you will think about the
Hmm.
thing. You will not think about the things when you are a child, but definitely you will think about innovation types or technological or some kind of stuffs, so that you can like try to make it or know the purpose of doing that, how it could have been made. Aditya, you are mute.
Hmm. They actually bridge between the actual things that can happen and the imagination.
Yeah,
They bridge those things. So that's amazing. Man. Let's talk about more cartoons. Like I can remember Henry, Horrid Henry. Do you guys watched
Horrid Henry is a amazing cartoon. Have you watched that, Rishabh? It came
Horrid
later
Henry?
on. It came later on.
Yeah, yeah. It was a later part.
Chupkai
Okay,
Chule.
Johnny Test. Johnny Test.
Yeah, Johnny. Let me show you this.
You, you guys watch a lot of cartoon in childhood, I think.
Yeah,
Obviously, I was till
Tintin,
12th.
Tintin, Tintin, Tintin was
I
amazing.
I passed the
Oh, Phineas
childhood
and Ferb,
very
Phineas and
fast, I
Ferb, Phineas
think.
and Ferb, Phineas and Ferb.
Bro, I am in hostel, bro. Then
Yeah,
how
yeah,
I
yeah.
can pass the
We
anything?
can we can feel the pain. Okay, let's search for
No,
Kick
You
Buttowski.
can't
Kick
escape that by.
Buttowski.
No, no, he can't escape by saying that thing because he was so much of serial thing.
Yeah.
How can he escape that? He cannot watch. He cannot watch cartoon, but he can watch the serial from where?
Serious, yeah. That's an escape. You can't use it.
I have the watched the serial of old कसौटी जिंदगी की कहानी
कसौटी
घर घर
जिंदगी
की
की.
So that
अरे.
stuff he's
कुमकुम.
that stuff he's watching. He could definitely talk with our mothers and all. But I know that my mother haven't watched that much of serials that Rishabh watched.
Because then you also have watched it. That's why you know.
Yeah,
One day, my classmate.
Mhm.
in BTech. I have discussed it whole night on the serial,
Oh.
These people
and she
were
said, "Are you watched that all? I have not watched anyone with this.
who said
Ah.
Your crush,
who said this that what are you talking about such
your
stuff?
crush."
You are in the public live TV and you are talking about such things. But you know, like Rishabh was so much of series. If
Serious. Hmm.
yeah, serials. If you will put them everything in the steps of your home, you will reach to the fifth floor. You will.
Oh my god.
Okay, let's
Have
And
you seen
let's
the movie Old Boy?
what? What? What?
no.
Old Boy 2003.
Old
Uh,
boy. Old boy. Old boy.
yeah,
Old boy.
this
Old
Chinese
boy.
guy
Old
thing.
boy.
Yeah. This movie.
Uh-huh.
No, not was.
This is
This is
not really
a
a
movie.
cartoon. It's more of a movie.
This movie is a story about the one person kept kidnap kidnap this man and keep alive in a vacant room for 15 years.
Have you watched this
Oh
Then he
cartoon, Kung Fu Master of the Zodiac?
no.
no.
You know,
You
3D cartoons. I don't
no,
used to watch them.
this cartoon was like so much amazing thing. There were
Okay.
12
Okay.
animals in
Okay.
the
I have
zodiac.
one cartoon. I have one cartoon. Chris, Trish, and Baldy Boy.
Yeah, obviously.
Yeah, Krish, Trish, and Baldy Boy. I think let's discuss one cartoon, which is common to all
Hage
three of
Maru.
us. Agemaru. But it has, few like it has a less story in them.
It has
But
no
Like
I
it
story.
always
watched
used
the
to
movie of
roam around.
animated
Hmm.
just like there is a cartoon movie Beauty and the Beast.
Yeah,
I have
Disney.
to
Yeah.
watch that. Yeah.
You always
Hmm.
And
watch girl kind of stuff more. I never watched any of that. I just know the story of Beauty and the Beast because I just fascinated about the Beast, and yeah, that's why I
yeah, I watched the recent The Lion King.
the Lion
Oh.
King is an
That was
amazing. Let's search
Yeah, that
Lion
was
King. I
the dub
also
by the Shah Rukh Khan, his son.
let me show you the one of the most important cartoon we were forgetting, Timon and Pumbaa.
Oh, Timon and Puma. Then.
I liked it very much. I don't know why. I liked it very much. And my most favorite Tom and Jerry movie is this
Around the world, race that race
Fast and
movie,
the Furry.
Fast and the Furry.
Definitely, this is one of the most greatest Tom and Jerry movie. Like absolutely
Yeah.
great artwork
Epic.
and all those things. And I just like the way that one of his car, like fed it
Okay,
with
okay, okay.
souls and all.
Have you know the what happened to Tom and Jerry in last episode?
Don't know. Don't want to recall it.
No.
Jerry
Yeah,
commit
Jerry.
Uh,
suicide.
And
Both
yeah,
of they
Tom
actually
joined
commit
in.
both of
suicide.
them. So,
Commit suicide, right?
And which
Okay,
yeah,
Carissa Cowardly Dog.
this cartoon.
Which one?
Yeah. Yellow.
this is the
These
this
are
is
wo
the
anchors of
yeah
this
anchors
movie.
of that. I
Yeah.
yeah it was
Race.
this car was amazing.
Yeah, futurist. That no, it was some
it
others.
it fed up on the soul of ये आत्माओं से
Dark
चलता
Matter.
है.
It was.
No,
Oh,
आत्माओं से
oh,
चलता है kind of thing.
Yeah.
Very
I
funny
remember.
thing. Yeah.
And
This how you can forget that?
which one? Hey,
Yeah.
SpongeBob SquarePants.
Haven't you watched this?
Yeah,
Yeah,
I have
definitely.
watched it.
I have watched it.
One more cartoon we are forgetting.
Which one?
Animated cartoon of Chris.
Animated
No,
Krish.
this cartoon. But I
This.
don't think that you guys have watched this Maruko-chan.
No, I haven't
I
watched it.
think
I
I
think.
never
I
watched.
like this
No.
Maruko-chan.
You always,
Mariko, what's
yeah,
name? What
this
its name?
similar to your
Yeah, I think
crush.
I have
Why are you
Marco
saying
Chan.
that thing? When I was child little, I really liked because like this girl was
Oh,
so crazy.
interest come from the child, bro.
Yeah.
Momoko Sukura. Okay, have you guys watched Tintin?
Yeah.
Tintin,
Yeah,
the animated
Yeah, yeah,
yeah.
series.
yeah.
It was fun. Yeah, this Tintin. Yep.
And the hairstyle of
Snowy.
Tintin.
Yeah. Tintin's hairstyle. Snowy. Oh,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Ed, what, Ed, you, what
Ed
is
and
name, man?
Edney. Ed and
Eh,
Edney. Ed, Ned and Eddie.
Eddie.
Ed and Eddie.
Eddie, yeah. It
Yeah,
used to, came later, right? They are actually some naughty
yeah.
kids. So it came, it used to, show, telecast around 12 or something in the midnight.
Dexter.
Dexter. Not this Dexter. Yeah,
This is
this scientist.
that is amazing movie, bro.
Dexter.
Yeah,
Powerpuff
excellent.
Girl. Powerpuff Girls. Oh, Kid versus Cat. Kid versus Cat. Kid
That
versus
is
Cat.
a that is
I
a
think it is an
beef cat.
alien cartoon.
Alien Cat. Alien Cat.
Yeah,
No, beef
the
cat.
cat was alien.
Babe Cat. Got it. Got you.
And
K-
I don't.
that Kick Buttowski. Kick Buttowski.
Yeah, Kick Buttowski.
And after that, Super Robot Monkey Team Hyperforce Go. Yeah,
Yeah.
Kick Buttowski. Gunther.
Have you
Gunther.
watched this thing?
Which one? Oh, Kemonachi. It was, it is a
It
modern
came
show. Like it,
later, but I didn't like it too much. And
much, yeah, same thing.
have you liked? I don't know that you guys have watched this, but I watched it in class 12th, 11th or 12th.
No, I have not watched this.
Buddhu Bugbug. It is
Bro,
also a recent cartoon.
please watch this one or any episode of this. You will
Actually, I have watched it, I think.
really going to like these two guys. Okay,
These are okay.
it is a good
In
Indian cartoon.
okay. There were let's talk about series. Suhana and Kambala investigation.
One of
Kambala
the
investigation.
best series is
Which one?
I'm suing the name. Okay, so you will tell me that you have watched it not. Okay.
Yeah. Nikki family.
Actually, I'm not remembering.
Yeah. I'm not. Best of luck, Nikki. Best of luck, Nikki.
Yeah.
Best of luck, Nikki.
Have you watched that,
And-
Rishabh?
Yeah, obviously. And there was one more show, Sweet Life of
Sweet
Karan
Life
and
of
Kabir.
Karan and Kabir.
Yeah, I have watched this.
These are
There
the
used to have one Bahadur. He was so epic, so innocent,
Sara,
man.
Sara Rara, I guess, I think.
Shararat se Tararat.
हाँ हाँ
Shararat se Shararat.
सारा भाई
अच्छा, Sara Bhai versus Sara Bhai. Sara Bhai versus Sara Bhai.
Vicky and Veta.
कर्मा
Karma, Vikram Betal, अरे.
Vicky and Veta.
कर्मा
अच्छा,
हातिम
Hatim, Karma.
Hatim
And,
I watched Sararat.
solve the 7 question
Saklak Boom Boom. Saklak
Hatim.
Boom Boom.
लगभग सगला बम बम
Shakalaka Boom Boom.
जेनिफर
Sonpari.
सोनपरी करिश्मा का
Yeah.
करिश्मा
Karishma.
Karishma was epic cut. Epic.
And one more was there. Wow life होता है. No,
Yeah,
it was
that is a movie, man.
Yeah, that's a movie and something like that only. Masti Life, something like that. I barely remember it. But anyways, so there are more.
चल सीरियल
Jesse कोई नहीं.
I haven't watched that
But-
Jesse koi nahi.
there is a I think there is a है ना there is a old movies like movies no serial like Ghost बना दोस्त
Yeah. Ghost Bana Dost. Yeah, I remember. I do remember it.
Yeah.
Ghost Bana Dost. Yeah.
Those
Oh,
Bhoot
man.
uncle.
Bhoot uncle type. Yeah. Ghost Bana Dost.
Bhoot uncle.
अरे हीरो how can you forget it? Hero.
क्या बात
भक्ति
है?
ही शक्ति है. माधुरी
I
ने
have-
इसको शायद.
I have seen all this
Those were Hangama
Yeah.
shows, okay.
Yeah.
And one more thing. What was the
Hero and after that. Shaktiman.
Shaktiman was epic.
Gangadhari बाल दे लगा.
Shaktiman was epic. It was epic.
Yeah. गंगाधरी क्या तिलक कौन सा क्या
Gangadhari Shaktiman hai, and let's wrap up
गंगाधरी
because it's already 34 minutes and we don't have much. We are now saturating thing because actually
yeah
we will have to watch some more cartoons. It's too many days. I am
actually
watching
we
this.
can already talk it about whole night. There are so many cartoons and we can
Yeah,
get into so many stories also. So yeah, I do think I'm not feeling good, but I think we should wrap it.
yeah. We will wrap it because things will go out of the range now.
Yeah. So Rishabh, what do you say? Shall we?
Yeah, yeah, we should wrap it.
Yep.
Wrap it.
So guys, if you are watching it, just comment down your favorite list of
Yeah,
cartoon.
and read this.
Definitely.
Read
We'll
this.
read it whatever you are commenting in this session, we will read it out
Yeah,
in
and
the next
please
session
please
probably.
read the thing which is in your screen, Aditya, and we will end this.
Just a moment. When a man learns to love, he must bear the risk of hatred. Oh, which cartoon is this?
It's not
this
cartoon, it's Naruto, man.
this
Naruto.
quite
Okay.
motivate the Akhil so much.
This love this. Read this.
This also.
People cannot show each other the true feelings, fear, suspicion, and what was that?
And read this. And
Resentment.
read this. It is the best
Man
line.
seeks peace, yet at the same time yearning for war. Those are the dreams belonging solely to him. Oh, wow. You are more into like you want me to watch Naruto,
Yeah,
right?
obviously I
That's why
already want
you're showing
everyone
these things.
think every people in the
No
world
problem.
should
I'll
see
do
this.
it. I'll do it soon. I'll do it after Friends and a few series. I'll definitely
Read
go
this
watch.
once more.
Hatred is born to protect love. Oh, wow, wow.
It is the quotes of Madara Uchiha, and I don't.
Madra Uchiha. It's more like a Marathi gali, abusive word. Madra
No,
Uchiha.
no, don't say, man. When he arrives, the
Hmm.
whole ninjas of the world
City.
were trembling when the single guy
Oh,
arrives,
oh. So I think
and
that's
he trembles one more guy,
which who
his friend, one of his friend.
Naruto.
No, no, Naruto. He doesn't give a shit about Naruto.
One day
Yeah.
I watch the whole series and discuss.
Yeah, you will not stop to discuss, man. You will not wherever you will see things, you will really remember those things because that's such a big, like anime. You can relate
Impactful.
almost everything to that.
Wow.
Okay, okay. After Jan,
Jan,
Yeah,
which coming Jan 2022.
yeah.
That's a long. We have to wait long for that. Anyways, I think let's just wrap it and
yeah.
let's get
Let's
back.
just wrap it. Okay, so I'm just ending the OBS. Okay, so bye bye
Yeah.
guys.
So
It
bye
was a
bye
nice session.
guys.
Okay.
Just
Bye
comment down
everyone.
your list of favorite cartoons and we'll just read it out.
Yeah, we will come tomorrow and we will try to do that essay thing tomorrow, and that will be more
Yep.
organized thing. It was just a lousy Sunday. We are tired, I think. Okay, so
Yeah.
uh,
That's right.
thank you guys.
Thank you. Bye bye.